Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best AeroPress coffee makers that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the AeroPress Clear Coffee Press. Beauty isn't free, it costs $10 extra. The new clears and colors, which are also considered clears, are pretty much the same device as the good old-fashioned AeroPress original. They just happen to be better looking, brighter, more various, and slightly more expensive. Some AeroPress lovers appreciate that the Clear lets you see the brewing process. Though if I'm going to be honest, coffee slurry isn't exactly a fireworks show. The real benefit of the new designs is that you get to choose a color that matches your shirt, your kitchen decor, or your whole vibe. Moving on. At number 4, we have the AeroPress Original Coffee Press. If you're a longtime AeroPress owner, chances are this is the one you've got. You probably feel nostalgic and deeply attached, and rightly so. That said, the original AeroPress color was actually clear. This smoked color was added in 2010 to reduce perception of coffee staining, back when AeroPress was made with a different material. Now this smokiness has evolved into a design hallmark. Amid the proliferation of AeroPress sizes and colors, the original's design has remained mostly unchanged for 15 years. And these days, it's $10 cheaper than the newer bright-colored and clear AeroPresses, which work the exact same way. Buying the original marks you as a practical person who cares not for frippery. At number 3, we have the AeroPress Go Travel Coffee Press Kit. The travel-friendly 8-ounce Go, 9/10 Wired recommends, is, on the one hand, just a slightly smaller AeroPress. On the other, says Wired contributor Joe Ray, it's an ingenious upgrade he may prefer to the original, nestling inside a mug for easy transport to a campsite or a hotel. Voila! No more sad hotel K-cups. Grind whatever beans you can before heading out camping. Or, if you're in a new city, buy a bag and ask them to grind for AeroPress. Although, if you really want to go for it while camping, try our favorite hand grinder, the King Grinder K6, at a grind setting between 60 and 90 clicks. At number 2, we have the AeroPress Original XL Coffee Press. AeroPress fans have been clamoring for a bigger version of the classic brewer for years, mostly because the original's 10-ounce capacity means that making coffee for more than one person can be a pain in the butt. Those fans got their wish with a model that's twice the size of the original, but bigger does not seem to be better. In fact, bigger seems a little more dangerous. While the original, Clear, and Go all use the same size cap and filter, each piece of the XL is larger. It has its own filters, and you brew into the carafe it comes with, because the XL's larger diameter makes it too big to brew directly into most mugs. It also gains a lot of height, with the plunger extended and connected to the barrel, and all of that sitting on the carafe. It's 19 inches high. And finally, at number 1, we have the fellow Prismo attachment for AeroPress Coffee Maker. The fellow Prismo, originally released in 2020, was a revelation, though not for the reason it was advertised. The big idea is that by replacing the standard filter cap with a cap outfitted with a pressure-actuated valve, you can pave the way to make actual espresso with your AeroPress. You do this by grinding your coffee finer and then pushing really hard on the plunger. In practice, this is a little bit of hooey. Your arm is not creating the 9 bars of pressure required to produce espresso, no matter how hard you lean. But by grinding fine, using less water, and pushing the brew through the tiny holes of the Prismo's stainless steel filter, you can indeed make a strong and espresso-like substance with some crema. It's a bit more astringent than espresso, to my taste. But here we are. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.